This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling FaceTime and signing into your Apple ID. This links your phone number and email for calls. Once done, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Video needs bandwidth. Next, open the FaceTime app or a contact in Phone or Contacts and tap the video or audio icon to initiate. You're starting the call now. This direct action places the invite. If someone doesn't answer, try sending a FaceTime request message instead. Once connected, control matters. Tap the screen to reveal controls and switch cameras or mute your mic for privacy. You can enable picture-in-picture to continue your call while using other apps. This keeps the conversation active. Also, consider SharePlay to watch media together. It syncs playback for everyone. To expand the call, tap the plus icon and add contacts. FaceTime creates a group session. These options let you tailor audio, video, and shared content to the moment. To finish, tap the red End button. Your call entry appears in Recents for reference. If video or audio degrades, move closer to your Wi-Fi router, switch to cellular, or ask others to pause heavy downloads. Latency and packet loss cause most issues. Finally, if FaceTime won't connect, sign out and back into your Apple ID, check date and time, or restart the iPhone to refresh network settings. One key tip: toggle FaceTime off and on in settings to resolve many.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.